What you see here is the basic remotes, the four remotes that are used to control the TV, satellite system, DVD player, and receiver. There are some other components, but for the sake of simplicity we'll just focus on these four components for our demo. And we'll replace all of these with the iPhone. The equipment to run the iCasa system is pretty straightforward. There's a standard home router and wireless access point. There is your iPhone, obviously. We also have the iCasa home controller that is still in development and under wraps, obviously. And we also have standard IR buds that connect to the home controller. That's really all you need. Most of this equipment you'll find in your home. Your iPhone, obviously, and the router and access point. Really all you need in order to make this work is the iCasa home entertainment module, which includes the IR buds with it. This is a demonstration of the iCasaHome iZap application that connects to the iCasa home entertainment controller to control your home entertainment system and eventually your entire home. We'll start with an actual demonstration. We'll go to some listening activities, so we'll press the music button, which brings us to our music activities, and you'll notice that we can look at this in portrait or landscape mode. And we'll choose iTunes, and as we do, you'll notice that the various equipment is turning on. And our iTunes starts, and you'll see the visualization on the screen. And it takes us to our iTunes page on the iZap application. And again, it switches from portrait to landscape very easily. And you can very easily go and change your listening activity if you want to change over to your CD player. In our case, it's streaming media from an automation system, but for the purposes of the demonstration, we'll assume it's a CD player. You simply hit CD player, and the equipment will change over. And I'm just going to mute that for the purposes of our demonstration here, but you have now full control of your CD player, and you'll notice as well the television is turned off and the visualizations have stopped as well, since we're now on CD player. And you have full control. One of the recent additions to our iCasa suite is the lighting controls, and it's a simple on and off control, and eventually we'll have a feedback bar here that will tell you the level of the light currently. But for now we can give you a demonstration of how we control the lights within a room. You simply press the light on, and the light comes on, and light off, and the light turns off. I don't know if you can see that. We'll turn the camera a little bit to capture one of the lights. And I'll do that again for you. So again, it's light on, and the lights come up, and light off, and the lights go down as well. And that'll be part of the broader iCasaHome suite. Your viewing activities are very similar. You go from the main welcome home screen, you select the watch key, and that brings up your selected activities from watch TV to movies, games, videos, and there's a TV favorites button that'll map directly to your favorite TV stations with one press. So we'll go ahead and select watch TV, and you'll notice the equipment turns on. And we'll scroll up to the television set. And you'll see that comes on as well. And from our system we have complete control of the system, whether it's scrolling through the guide, and selecting another channel. And we can also just select channel up and channel down from where we were.
Your HD brings you the best document.
And you also have volume and mute control, similar to the listening activities. You can also choose to record. You can pause live television, play when you come back. There's also live TV to go back to. Catches you up. And to go to another activity, you simply go back to the viewing activities, and we'll select games, and our system will change over to our game system, and in a second the television screen will switch over as well. And there's our Wii box. And to go back to watching TV, we simply press the TV button, and the system will switch over to TV, as it's doing now. And we'll select the OK button to bring the satellite tuner back on. And we're back to watching television. And again, we have all the standard controls of that as well. And you can also select movies, which will activate your CD player, your DVD player, and switch everything over as well from there. And you can very easily, we'll go back into watch TV and we'll unmute the system. It's sent to the power command, so we'll just select OK to turn it back on. And to shut the system down, simply hit the power button. It turns off all our equipment, including the television, and takes us back to the welcome screen, where we can go to my next selection, which might be listen to iTunes. And again, the system will come on automatically. And there's our music. And shutting the system down again is very simple. Simple one press. Everything shuts down. And we go back to our main screen.